Hello everyone, this is Akan22 and Champudude, and I am unboxing my Hot Wheels Shark Bite. As you can see, this is the new one. This is the Street Beast model, and this is cost me about 99 rupees. So I am unboxing this Shark Bite. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. This is the new one. So this is the Shark Bite, and you can see that his mouth is like open and close like this. Good. And it has light green wheels and good quality build, as you can see. So this is to my another collection of Hot Wheels, and if you want to say something about this, you can say in comment section, and if you like it, please leave a like before you leave the video. So this is my Shark Bite Hot Wheels collection. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.